How to fix no sound in games on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here are several easy fixes you can try. First, make sure your game's volume isn't muted. Right-click the sound icon on the taskbar and open Volume Mixer. While your game is running, check that both the system volume and your game's volume are turned up. Next, open your game's audio settings. Make sure the master volume, sound effects, music, and voice sliders are all turned up and not muted. If the issue continues, completely close the game. Disconnect your headphones or speakers, then plug them back in before launching the game again. You can also open Task Manager and end any remaining game processes to make sure the game is fully closed. Another simple fix is to restart your computer. This refreshes Windows audio services and can resolve temporary software glitches. If only one specific game has no sound, try repairing or reinstalling it through your game launcher. Before reinstalling, remember to back up your save files if necessary. Next, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Open Settings, search for Troubleshoot, then select Other Troubleshooters and run the Audio Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions if Windows detects any issues. Finally, check your playback device settings. Open More Sound Settings on Windows 11 or right-click the sound icon and select Sounds on Windows 10. Under the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. If you have multiple audio devices connected, temporarily disable the ones you're not using. You can also open Properties, then check the Advanced tab and make sure the audio format is set correctly. If spatial sound is turned on, try turning it off to see if that fixes the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix no sound in games on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.